guys, welcome back to another video. We're going to be making some melon juice today. We're going to be using the yellow melon with some star fruit. We have here passion fruit, lime and ginger. Alright, stay tuned guys. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, comment if you like the video and subscribe to our channel. Let's get straight into this. Alright, so we're going to start by peeling the melon. And ensure that your melon has seed in it, right? And for the melon, what I did was to turn the knife at an angle and I just peel along the body of the melon, alright? Very easy to do. Likewise for the star fruit, we're going to cut them up. We're going to blend these guys, alright? Good source of vitamin C we get today. You know, watermelon is high in the water content, right? Same for the passion fruit. And passion fruit has an amazing flavor. I think it complements the lime and ginger. After blending, you strain. So you're going to repeat the same steps to finish blending the melon, and we're going to add the passion fruit. And just a little bit of water. I guarantee you guys, this drink is going to be so refreshing. Your family will surely enjoy it, alright? Give it a try and don't forget to let me know how you like it. What I wanted to do, I wanted to maintain the nice, vibrant, yellow pineapple melon look, right? So you see that we achieved that, and the passion and the ginger. Right now we're going to add our lime, and I think the lime bring up the flavor of this drink. I'd suggest you remove the froth from the top of the drink. Remember, I always tell you guys to use whatever fruit that is in season. And especially if you live overseas, when they go on sale, utilize them, man. Alright, so what we're going to do is to go in with a sweetener now. You can use any sweetener of your choice. I'm going to be using some agave. And you sweeten to taste. Serve this very chill, guys. That is just how it is when you're serving juice, right? We're going to add this to the fridge now and let it chill for a little while, and then we return. Here you have it, guys, a nice pineapple melon tropical juice. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. Until next time, bye.